Hi, I'm here to tell you about sustainable materials. The fashion and textile industry are some of the most wasteful industries because fashion demands a high level of processing, distribution and washing. Sustainability provides humans in the environment the best possibilities without damaging the future generations' possibility to cover their needs. Our world is running out of certain materials. As a reaction to that, sustainable production and products has become a more integrated part of different companies' mindset. Many materials have a positive environmental impact. Some organically grown fibers can be converted into high-performance biocomposites. A lot of materials is damaging to the environment. Therefore, it is urgent to reuse these as efficiently as achievable. Sustainability is a complete mindset. It is not only about climate changes and environment, it is also a matter of social, ethic, economical and aesthetic aspects. It is a matter of enchanting all these characteristics to reach a complete sustainable circle from idea to production to reuse. The non-sustainable processes are putting a strain on the environment and making a negative impact, and it is contributing to global warming. Also, environmental regulation encourages the sustainable development. Additionally, there is a pressure from stakeholders such as consumer and non-governmental organizations due to the growing public awareness of environmental issues. Another factor that encourages companies and manufacturers to a more sustainable approach is that it improves the efficiency of the production, which will save the company's money. The most common materials. Vegetable fibers is, for example, hemp, cotton, bamboo. Animal fibers are, for example, wool, leather and silk. Synthetic fibers are, for example, viscose, lyocell and polyester. And metallic fibers is, for example, steel and iron. In the process of making cotton, bamboo, glass, wool and steel, there is less polluting chemicals involved. Bamboo is a vegetable fiber. It is the latest plant material in the eco-friendly fabric market. Bamboo is made from pulp of bamboo grass. It is a long-lasting fabric and it is easy to dispose and recycle. When it comes to sustainable production, bamboo has a lot of benefits. For one, the plant can grow anywhere because it does not require a lot of water. Bamboo is also fast-growing and naturally resistant to diseases and pests. Furthermore, when growing bamboo, one does not use chemicals which benefits its surroundings. Bamboo has a high rate of converting CO2 to O2 and therefore it contributes to the reduction of the global warming. It begins with the harvest of mature bamboo when it is nearly 2 years old. Getting the cut as clean as possible makes it possible for the new shoots to grow and naturally replenish for the next harvest 2 years later. Taken and chopped into pieces, which are then soaked in a solution that has been approved by the Global Organic Textile Standard. The solution breaks down the bamboo fibers and it is then dried into parchment-like sheets. Once thoroughly dried, these sheets are ready to be ground and to be spun into a fluffy, soft material. The fiber is then separated and spun into thread, which is used to create yarn for weaving. So why is bamboo more sustainable than cotton? It's not the material itself, it's the process of refining the raw material including harvest, work condition, distribution, use and reuse. Cotton uses at least 10 times more water than bamboo. Cotton is still the most companies' go-to material, but there are plenty of paybacks exploring the many characteristics of bamboo. Also, when processing the raw material, bamboo uses 8 times less chemicals than cotton, and when dyed, it absorbs dyes better than cotton and therefore there is a smaller use of pigments and chemicals. So next time, consider how many of the things that you own that has already had an effect on the environment.